The rounds we're using today are these Hornady Critical Defense FTX bullet. .115 grain, and these are going to be gaps and cracks cans. Great stuff. And this one over here is GE insulating foam. What we're going to use today is this BSA scope, and this is a 995 high point 9mm, 20 yards. Yeah, that shot landed over my head about 20, almost 20 yards away from where I shot it. And right there's all the devastation. Got foam clear up here. We're going to look at this carbine here. This is a 995. As I said before, there's several different versions. What I'm going to talk about today is the 995. These are pretty inexpensive. I'm not sure if there's a hyphen in there, but the 995 is one I'm talking about, and that's what we're going to concentrate on today. There's a 995 TS, and that is a newer version of this 995. And what we're going to do here is today take this apart. These, by the way, are 5/16. These bolts that go in here. This one is 3/8. And this is the bolt. Okay, this is a bolt that I made. This is stainless steel, and it goes in here, right there. Got to take that out. Right now, maybe this will come apart. I'm not sure. Ah, there we go. Okay, well, something fell apart. Well, this piece came. Oh, okay. This is the. This is for the bolt, and this goes in right here, right there. Okay, I've got to take now. I've got to take these bolts out. This whole bunch of them. All right, now let's check this out. Let's see, the metric are over on this side over here. This is a Harbor Freight set. Okay, and these are 1/8. And there's a whole bunch of them. And this one right here has a special nut or special bolt for this shoulder strap. Right here. You got to take that and slide it. Okay, here's the clip that I was talking about. Piece of sheet metal. It's bent a little bit because it has to conform to the shape of the bottom of this stock. It's got the serial number on it. Now we got another screw over here. And this one is 3/32. Just like the one in the handle, 3/32. Here it is. This is a cap screw, fine thread. Got another screw over here on the other side of the handle. Well, we want to make a sanding block 1/2 by 3/8. So now is the half part of it. I'll just guess where it's at. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, this is how it's going to be right here. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to put some glue in there and then put a piece of wood in there . So that I can attach this. Okay, now we're going to make 2 pieces to fit in here. All right. First of all, take your measuring tool and see how deep it is. It's about 1/8. All right, then you're going to have to go over to your table saw and cut those pieces. Now you're going to have to make some calculations here. This one is angled. I'm going to get it to the proper angle. This is called a sliding bevel. I'm going to get this angle correct. Now I'm going to lay out on my piece of wood that exact angle. Well, I got a new idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these screws back in to hold this together, and maybe one over here on this side. So first of all, put these screws back in. And then what I'm going to do is, after I get these screws in, I'm going to take this and attach it. We have this step right here. Well, I want to avoid that, so I'm going to put it like this. And then these two surfaces, this one and this one, I put on the jointer to get them perfectly straight. And then I'm going to put this like this, screw it to this board right here, and then run this tape through the table saw to get this taper out. Right here we got a big taper. Okay, now the flattest surface I have in my shop is this table saw. This is cast iron. This is a cast iron top. And what they did was they ran a huge mill over top of it to get it flat, and then probably they used a grinder to grind the surface. So now I'm going to take this drill, and since I got one screw right here and another one right here, I'm going to put some screws near there. Okay, what I figured out was from here to here and from here to here, this area here is consistent. It's 1 inch, 735 thousandths. So, if I hold this down like this and then screw through here, it should be okay. Don't want to screw it too tight. I'm screwing into this piece, which is 1/2 of it, and it's split here in the middle. And then I'm going to put another screw over here on this side. And these are 2-inch screws. 2-inch screws. I'm missing the screws, so now we're ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to put this in this vise so I can saw it. Well, I'm going to put it in my other vise. Now to cover this area, I'm going to use a piece of steel, but I have to get this correct right here so that it's straight. Well, my temptation is to move this, but I think I'm just going to leave it there. Now, what I did was I put on silicone right over there. GE silicone. Looks like that.